Good morning students. In our last video we have started our third number chapter HCF LCM, and in our first exercise I have told you how to find out prime numbers. That prime numbers we have seen in our 5th standard also, that is 1 to 100 numbers we have to write down, and how to find out that prime numbers. 25 prime numbers are there in between 1 to 100, and 1 is your not prime and not composite. So 2, 3, 5, 7, in this way we can write down the prime numbers. And what is the meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers means what? That numbers occurs in the table of 1 and that number itself. And composite numbers means what? Their factors are more than 2 or 3 factors are there. It means suppose you have taken the number that is 8 in front of you. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. In this way you can write down the factors. It means factors means what? In the table of 2, in the table of 4, 8 is there, 8 is occurs, or in the table of 8, 8 is there. So these are called as factors. But if you taking the example of number 23 if you search, or you can write down the tables up to 30, 2 to 30 you can write down the tables, and if you observe that 23, the table of the number 23 occurs in the table of only 1, and that number itself, it means in the table of 23. So this is called as prime numbers. Twin prime numbers also. What is the meaning of twin prime number? The distance between two prime number is 2. This is called as twin prime number. Suppose only one line I can write down. This is 1 here, not prime, not composite. That's why we have given the square to the 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, in last video I have told you that, so I can write down only 1 to 10 numbers. 2 is your prime number because 2 is occurs in the table of 1 and 2 only. 3 is your prime number because 3 again occurs in the table of 1 and 3. 4 is your composite number because 4 occurs in the table of 1, in the table of 2 and in the table of 4. It means more than 2 factors are there. So 4 is your composite number. 5 is your prime number. 6 is composite number. 7 prime, 8 composite, 9 composite and 10 is also composite. Why these are composite number? Because if you are taking the example of 10 is occurs in the table of 1, 5 and 10. So teacher, how is it possible that 10 is occurs in the table of 1? Whenever we are starting or whenever we are counting, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinite numbers are there. So all that numbers occurs in the table of 1. Okay, so these are called as composite number. So we are taking the example of twin prime number. The meaning of twin prime number means what? The difference between two prime number is 2. 3 and 5 are two prime numbers given in front of you, and the difference between these two numbers is 1 and 2 digit. After 2 digit, the 5 is upper. This is called as twin prime number. Again, 5 and 7. This is called as twin prime number. If you observe the number 21, after that 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. This line also you can write down in your notebook. Okay. So 21 is composite, 22 composite, 23 prime number. Because 23 occurs in the table of 1 and 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 are composite number. 29 is prime number and 30 is composite number. Because 29 is occur in the table of 1 and the 29 table itself. If you observe the difference between this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there in between 23 and 29. So this is not twin prime number. This is twin prime number because the difference between them is only 2 numbers. Okay, and you can write down, find out the pairs of co-prime numbers also. This exercise problem practice set number 10 is very easy. So today we are going to learn our practice set number 11. Please pay attention properly because this is the new thing for you. Factorize the following numbers into primes. So first number is in front of you, that is 32. Okay, so up to here we can divide the number by this method, 32 by 2. Okay, but these here we can solve the example directly by vertical method. Vertical method means what? We have to draw in this way lines, one standing line and sleeping line is there, and we can write down the number that is 32. We know that for this, if you know the properties or the test of particular number, then it is easy for you to solve the example. So let's take revision of that test. The test of 2 is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in unit place. This test we have learned in 5th standard. only shortcut I have write down here. 0, 4, 2, 6, 8 in unit place. That numbers are divisible by 2. The test of 3 is there. Very important test are there. Test of 3 we have learned in 6th standard. It means all number addition. All number addition. Teacher, what is the meaning of this? We can forget this. What is the meaning of this? All number addition means. Suppose the number is given in front of you just like this. 3457. So we have to find out or we have to calculate that this number is occurs in the table of 3 or not. So do whatever numbers are given, do the addition of these numbers, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7. Do the addition. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 7 14 and 14 plus 5 19. So our addition is 19 and 19 is not occurs in the table of 3. 19 is not there in the table of 3. In the table of 3, 18 is there and 21 is there. 19 is not there. It means this number is also not occurs in the table of 3. This is the test of 3 and test of 9. Same test are there. Whatever number is there, you have given the 7-digit number also. So you can find out from this, that is do the addition of all numbers and whatever particular number you have, get it. That number, if that number is occurring in the table of 3, that means that whole numbers are 5-digit, 6-digit or 7-digit number occurs in the table of 3. Okay. The test of 4. Okay. 4 tens and unit places. Tens and unit place divided by 4. So teacher, please give the example of this test also. Tens and unit place divided by 4. The number is in front of you, that is 47,972. All of you know that from our 2nd standard we have know that what is the meaning of tens. It means secondly nursery from we know that what is the meaning of unit place and what is the meaning of tens place. If you observe, this is your tens unit and this is your tens place. So if you divide 72 by 4, only tens and unit place divided by 4. So divide it. 4 ones are 4. Next number and 4 8s are 32. It means our division is completed. Remainder is 0. So tens and unit place divisible by 4 and our answer comes properly. It means remainder is 0. That whole number is divided by 4 properly. Okay. Not necessary to divide that 5-digit number by 4 and then check out that that number occurs in the table of 4 or not. Only do the division of tens and unit places. Then our test of 5 is there. 0 and 5 in unit place. In unit place 0 and 5 is there. That means the number is divisible by 5. Then the test of 9, all number addition, just like our test of 3. Do the addition of all number and if the number is occurs in the table of 9, the whole number is there in the table of 9. And the test of 10, last test is there. Tens and unit place 0 in unit place. If 0 occurs in the unit place, that number is divisible by 10. We have seen that. So it is very important to learn these 5 tests, the test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10, 5, 9 and 10. In 5th standard we learn 2, 5 and 10 tests, and in 6th standard we learn the test of 3, 4 and 9. So if you can learn this test, then it is very easy for you to find out the factors, okay, the whatever given number is there. Okay, so test given in front of you. So with the help of that test, we can easily solve our example. If you observe 32 is there, then observe the unit place. Unit place you have given the 2. So in the unit place 2 is there, that numbers are divisible by 2. So first, whenever we are taking first example, it is slightly complicated for you to solve the example. So at your back page you have to do in this way. 32 divided by 2. This is very simple for us. Our answer is 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1. Next number comes 2, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 0 and 0. So here directly we have to do, that is in the table of 2, 3 is not there. Pay attention to the first number. In the table of 2, 3 is not there. So smaller than 3, the number is 2. So 2 1s are 2. Okay, you can write down the table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 14, 16, 18 and 12. If you observe your first number is 3 and in the table of 2, 3 is not there. So we have to take here smaller than 3, that is 2. So 2 occurs at which place? 2 ones are 2. That's why we have to take 1 here. 2 ones are 2. And here we can do the subtraction. 3 minus 2, answer comes 1. In your mind, you have to do the subtraction, that is 2 ones are 2, we have to take 3 minus 2, answer comes 1. Remaining 1 put here only. It means for your understanding, you get the number 12. Okay, and 12 is there in the table of 2. That is 2 6 12. Okay, simple method is there. Don't do this only first 1 2 3 example. You can do go by this method. But whenever you can practice that example, and maths is not learning subject, I have always told you that you have to do the practice of given example, and it is easy for you to solve the example. Again, if you observe, 16 is there. Look at the unit place. Unit place is your 6. It means look at your place. 6 is in unit place. It means you have to again divide by 2. So do the division by 2. In the table of 2, 16 is there. So look at the table. Yes, 16 is there. So which place of 16? That is 2, 8 is 16. So write down that place. Whatever it means in your division in 4th standard or 5th standard, we can write down the quotient. So that quotient you have to write down here. 2, 8 is 16. Again 8 is there. So unit place 8 is there. So that number divisible by 2. So divide that. 2, 4. In the table of 2, 8 is there. So yes. Which place is there? 2 4s are 8. Write down here. And again 4 is there. Unit place 4. So divide again by 2. In the table of 2, 4 is there. 2 2s are 4 and last one 2 1s are 2. It means what? You have to factorize the number into primes. Primes means what? Whenever you can find out the factor, all numbers here, whatever numbers you can get it, they all are prime numbers. Well, if you can write down the composite number here, then your answer will be wrong. So please check whether you can write down the prime numbers or composite number, and our answer is over. Whenever 1 is there, last 1 is remain, our factors are completed. So you have to write down here in this way. Question is 32. The factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. Our answer is correct. Okay, only one more example I have taken here, and other examples you have to solve yourself. But always remember that please learn these tests so it is easy for you to solve the example. Okay, next number is there 342. 3-digit number is there 342. So again draw in this way 342. Unit place your 2 is given, so divide by 2. Okay, directly we are dividing now. In the table of 2, 3 is not there, so 2 1s are 2. Do the subtraction in your mind, that is 3 minus 2, answer comes 1. Write down that 1 here. Here is your 14. 14 occurs in the table of 2. 2 7s are 14. And 14, our division is over. Only 2 is remaining. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Next number, if you observe, the number is 171. So what can we do, teacher, at this situation? Unit place 1 is there and 2 0 0 2 4 6 8 is there, and we can divide by 2. So how we can divide this number? Forget it, the test of 2. Now take turn to the test of 3, that is all number addition. Do the addition here. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. Our addition is 9. It means 9 occurs in the table of 3. So we can divide this number by 3. Okay, so do the division. By 3 we have to divide, that is 171. How to divide? In the table of 3, 17 is not there, so smaller than 17. 15 is there, 3 5s are 15. 17 minus 15, answer is 2. Next number comes 1. 3 7s are 21. So our answer is 51. Same way, 3 5s are 50. For 17, we are taking 3 5s are 15 because 17 is not there, so we have to take 15. 17 minus 15, answer comes 2. Write down that 2 smallerly here. Answer next number is 21. 3 7s are 21. Now 57 is there. Always our principal sir has told us that you have to learn the tables, and it is very easy for us. If you can learn the tables, then you can easily find out which number occurs in the which table. So 57 occurs in the table of 19. 19 3s are 57, and 3 occurs in the table of 3, that is 3 1s are 3. Again, if you observe the factors 2, 3, 19 and 3, all are prime numbers. If you can check that number. So our 342 factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 3. Go by this method and solve your practice set number 11. Only 9 and 10 number example is there, that is complicated. So, but try to solve that example and solve your practice set number 11 and send the photos on our WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you.